What is up, you guys? Hacknews to here, and welcome back to another gameplay of Slime Rancher. Now, we just upgraded our coop to full attack potential. We've upgraded our farm, and we got some new slimes. We got a rad slime, and we got the... I forgot what you guys are. I'm just going to call you the boomers. The boomer slimes. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to that new area, and we are going to absolutely find a hell of a lot of those slimes. Look, there's the gold one again. Oh, what the fuck? Gold slime, get rich or die sliming. Charming. And we've got the gold. Did he fly over here? Where did it go? I just hit it with this. Right, I better go home and see how much this is, because otherwise this is just taking up space. So is the chicken. There you go. Fuck. Right. How much is this? That's 411. Jesus Christ, for one? Whoa. Right, let's upgrade this little thing here. Sprinkler. There we go. That's all money gone. Right, I'm gonna go get more of you guys. So you guys stay put and just be happy, alright? Hope this should be fine. Hopefully. Thing is, there isn't like an upgrade to your equipment. Oh, there's the gold slime. I just saw it in the corner and it's gone. Oh, there's chickens up there. No, 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 no. They're gonna eat them. Well, there's more chickens over here. Plort, I don't need you. I don't need a chickadoo. Right, there's chicken there. If I go through, I can fill you up, so I got inventory full of you. Oh, there's a giant fucking... There's a red hen up there. I need to figure out how to get up there. Oh, 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 oh. No, they killed the bloody red hen. You motherfuckers. Oh, for God's sake. Ow. That hurt. Okay, okay, hi guys. Hi, you evil little things. Don't come near me. Okay, you guys are evil. Fuck you. Well, I'm out of here. Right, I'm back to this bloody wonderland. Luckily, this is morning, so hopefully this should be less... You guys are all still exploding. I swear. No, I want these, not the pinks. They spawned already? Where are they? Where? Oh, fuck, there they are. Right, I'm out of here. Let's go through here. Ah, here they are. My good explosion slimes, and then more. More of you. Where's the rad slimes? Is there any rad slimes? There's a chicken. Don't need the plort. Do I have to jump on the rocks to get across? I think I do. Well, let's try it. Yeah, you do. Right. And ooh, what are you guys? You guys seem special. What are you? Puddle slime. Keep one in your boot and you'll always stay cool. But it's weird. So you guys are only water types then. Just like Pokemon. You guys are like water type Pokemon. Okay. Okay, there's a bridge. Of course. Oh, what a waste of freaking time. And oh, look at them. The spawning. So this is the max I can go. I can't go any further. I just gotta stick to here. Well, that's a waste of a freaking port. Or portal, I was going to say. Right, so jump. Oh, chicken, chicken, chicken. Mine. Ow. I'm going to have to figure out how to get over there. I think there has to be a way to get over there because they're all spawning in. And there's a lot of chickens. A hell of a lot of chickens, which I really wanted. And I can't feed any slimes with the fruit anyway, so we might as well get the chickens. And good thing I picked you up, otherwise you would have eaten them. Right, I only got the explosion slime, so this is all I got to do for now. Well, what I can put up with for now. Let's run back. Figure out how to eat you up. Or figure out how to get across the other side. Yeah, I can't grab any of you slightly because you've gotten big. And I went the wrong way. And there's chickens over there. Mine. Aha! I'm smarter. Right, so this is the way up here. Okay. Let's run back to base. Put these guys in where they require. And let's see. Wait, there's that tabby slime. That tabby slime only eats meat, doesn't it? Because there was a giant tabby slime next to the other side of the world. So would that mean that Tabby will have to... It does the same thing? Or Gordo, or whatever you call them? I think so. Right, that's my next target. The Tabby. Which means the chickens, you better do some serious fucking. Otherwise I'll be very disappointed. Otherwise I'll be uploading a video. I'll film you guys and I'll upload it to Pornhub. How about that? Chicken porn. Right, you got more of your little friends in there. Right, please tell me you're eating. Holy shit, you guys have eaten. That's good. You guys are eating rarely because obviously the chickens are not fucking... Yeah, I'm looking at you. They're not like banging, so they're making me very disappointed. Right, got some money. Right, that's fully... I forgot, that's fully thing, that's fully thing. Oh, one of them escaped. What the fuck? Right, I'm gonna have to put a cage over it. If you guys are gonna escape... Right, airnet. The airnet is force barrier that covers the top of it. Yes. So the chair will enhance the order feeder, user box. You guys need to fucking calm down. There we go, they can't escape. I'm gonna do the same thing with you guys, just in case you guys might escape. Airnet. I haven't got enough now. Right, how's the tree doing? Not so bad. Right, please guys, I want you guys to do some serious banging. But I'll take some of you, because some of you need to go into the boomer slimes so you can eat them. I don't see how that calms them. I think it just reduces explosions, I'm guessing. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, but they see explosions they're doing. I think a good thing I did put a net up. Let's put you in there. Okay. Music box. Let's calm you guys down. Let's go here. And let's put a scare slime here. And now that fruit is already started dropping. Okay. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Now, I think our next target is obviously to probably go to the tabby slime. So now that it's becoming nighttime, I think I can sleep. And also I could feed the radiation slimes. I could probably do it right now. Oh, shit. Right. There better be a lot of you if I see you in the morning. There better be a lot of you. Right. Ooh. Okay, there's enough of dancing. Right, sleep until morning. Return to the ranch. Okay, how are you guys doing? Well, you guys are grown. How's the chickens doing? Oh, shit! Oh, fuck. Is that a problem? Elder hen and old hen whose egg laying days are over. Easy. So they're no longer useful now, so they gotta be eaten. Did he still eat them? Okay, you guys still eat the old hens. Okay. How are you guys doing? Two plorts. But like I said, I need to give you guys like you need a lot of hens. I think I need into the coop. That's what I feel like. I think I should actually do that. You know, double the fucking. You know. Garden, purchase. No, demolish. For God's sake, I made a coop. God's sake. Right. Right, you guys are... Right, the thing is, this is fully upgraded, so there's no need... There's no need. Right. Right, we'll give you guys to the tabby. We'll collect some more chickens as well along the way. Hopefully. Like this one here, look. Let's go to that tabby then. Or Gardo, whatever you call them. I'm going to call them Gardos just for simple. And look, the gold thing is still here. And it runs away and it just disappears. There you go. See? I can't catch them. There's a chicken over there. It's going to get eaten. Right, eating one. But I got the other one. Okay. Right, let's go to that giant tabby then. I think we've got enough hens. I think we've got enough to feed the giant fucker. Pink slimes, you're not eating them. You're not eating them today. You're not eating them today, son. Right, oh no, the chicken. Oh, God damn it. Right, I got you chickens. It's feeding time. You still want more. You still want more. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. You are one fat bastard. Alright. I think there's another chicken thing. I think there's a chicken area here. Because I went to the death area and I ran away. Because obviously these things were killing me. But I think there was chicken. There was a chicken. Oh shit. Please don't harm me. I'm nice. There you go. There's one of them. I'm nice. I'm telling you. I knew there were chickens here. I don't need you. Right, let's walk across here. Let's go back to the tab. Oh, there's a box here, which contains this thing. Again. No chickens here, sadly. Right. Please tell me this is it. You still want more? You fat... I'm not going to say the word because I think I probably get demonetized. It begins with a C word. Let's just say that. And there's another box here. Right, I'm going to open up over here. Wait for... Why am I keep getting these things? These things mean nothing. They mean absolutely shit to me. I don't want ornaments. I can't sell them. I got to deal with them. I don't want to decorate my bloody thing. Who does that? Right. Lucky you guys. You got decoration. You got one there and one there. And you guys are not banging enough. Can I not sleep until the next morning? Can I not do that? Sleeping till morning. Oh, there we go. Jesus Christ, that's a long time. I think I might start using this feature a bit more. Okay, how's the chickens? You guys are barely fucking. What is the problem? Are these guys too not attractive to you? Oh, for fuck's sake. Well, these guys are... Oh, fuck. My inventory is filled. That's right. Right, you guys can have the older hen. I don't care. And that. Right, let's feed you guys the chickens. Oh, not the chickens, the carrots. And you guys are freaking hungry as hell. Holy shit. They look pissed. Ow. Right, let's collect the plorts. And that is a lot of plorts. Hell of a lot of plorts. Right, I need 2 plorts. That's understandable. So I barely fed you a lot. And you guys are still pooping out plorts. Actually, how much is that doorway? I want to know, how much is this? Is this expansion? 1,795. Okay. We've got a long way to go yet then. Wait, can I reach the ports from here? Hey! But not enough. Right, I'm gonna have to get rid of you guys. Right, you guys can stay because you guys can, well, they have to be together to, you know, fuck. So we're going back to the tabby. And we've got more chickens. Right. I am not ending this gameplay until we find more of those chickens. Well, not feed the well, find more of the chickens. I want to feed the tabby, the chickens, and find out what that thing holds. And I don't really need you. You're useless to me. Oh, go away. Right, there's the chickens. Grab as much as I can. Don't need you. Oh, there's a red one there. Don't get eaten. Thank you. Right, you better be full, you fat fuck. Finally! Jesus Christ! And that is a waste. That is a waste. All that for nothing? Are you for real? Go away. Why? Where does that take me? Look. There. What the f... No. There. Go what the... Go away. So, what happens if I step in here? Where the hell am I? Is this a new area? Oh, come on! Are you... That is a massive troll! What the f... Are you fu... What? Oh, so he's not guarding some sort of freaking key. Oh no. He just got a bloody portal will lead you to fuckaroo. That is a waste of time. That is an absolute waste of fucking time. I can't believe I shouldn't have gave the chickens into the coop instead of feeding that thing. Why the fuck did I just do that? I heard chicken. And it's not here anymore. Fuck. Well, I guess I got the carrots. Hey. Hey, look. I got more. My bomber slimes are gonna fucking die. I know that for a fact. But we got enough for the expansion, so let's get the fuck in there, go do the expansion, and come back out. Reach the very... Right, purchase it. Right, where does it lead me to? Right, doesn't know the stupidest portal things. Oh my god, chickens! Okay. What? That's where I was! And now this portal's open! And now the doorway's open. Oh, okay. Never mind, it wasn't a waste of time. I changed my mind. Come here. Have I got my own little, like, growth of, like, chickens? There's a lot of them here. Which is what we need. I believe that's all. Look, the spawn. Is this a chicken spawning area? It is. Right, I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna put the chickens in the coop. Oh my god, it's gonna be filled. It's gonna be a massive orgy and sex. It's gonna be sex everywhere. Oh shit, you just flew off. Well, let's put some of you in here because you guys are hungry. There's gonna be drugs and sex in here. Look at that. Oh shit. He fell out of the cage again. Come on, this freaking stamina, or whatever you call it, is taking a piss. It takes long to load. Right. Any more chickens down here? Yes. Come here. I think that's it. Wait, did it spawn back in? If I walk out here... Okay, I think that's all of them. I think that's how much it spawned. Okay. Hey, guys. Right, now that should be enough hens. Right, that's enough carrots. I still need to find more of you. I need to find more of your kind. Right, how much? Oh, you guys are not eating that much. Okay. I can live with that. Okay, 1,200 is more carrots. I believe we're in business. We are in business. And I'm probably going to end up doing this as a thumbnail, I'm guessing. There you go, that's the thumbnail. Right, guys, I think it's a good time to end this gameplay here. So, guys, I hope you sincerely enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button. There's also a notifications bell. Click on it so you don't miss any videos I upload. You're going to be notified when I do upload videos so you guys don't miss out on my awesome content. And also for the new people, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And guys, like you always say, this is Hegnewster signing out.